Welcome back to the Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. I'm your host, Busisiwe Mohapi, and yes, thank you so much, guys. That's the first thing that I want to say to you guys. Yesterday, we were sitting on 27 subscribers, 27, not 2,700, not 27,000. We're sitting on 2727. But now, as I speak to you now at 2:15, we are sitting at 216 subscribers. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for subscribing and for liking the videos. I think we have more than 10K views. Yeah, 12K, 10K, around there. 10K, I saw 10K. I'll check again, but that's what I saw. And thank you so much. It shows that you love Judge Nathan Charles Erasmus, and I pray that someone will show him that video and read the comments to see that people believe in him, people love him, and there's so many blessings people have spoken about there. They have blessed his family. They are praying for him. They are praying for his protection. There's just a lot of things that are going on in that video. The comments are, I'm telling you, I felt the love from you guys on his behalf. And I hope someone will show him that video. And yeah, God bless you all. So today, guys, I want us to go back into our courtroom. Listen, there's drama, there's turbulence. Something is about to happen. And we are just buckling up and getting right into it. I need you to get into this plane with me because it's about to take off. It's about to take off. And Ujudge today was telling us that guys, buckle up. I'm the captain. I've got this. We are moving now, And the first thing that we saw on today's court proceedings, the videos that were played for me, Kelly Smith couldn't even look at herself, guys. She was emotional. She was looking down. I don't know whether it's the guilt. I don't know if it's the shame, because there's a difference, If you look at the videos there, even her structure, everything, she's petite there. You can see that her mind, it's for someone who's using, and now her mind is clear. She's gained weight. She's a plus size queen like me. You can see that there's a difference, guys. There's a difference. So drugs do a lot to a person. I'm just saying, I don't know what was going on in her mind, but she was emotional, and we saw that this morning. So my question is, are you ready to board? Are you inside the plane or are you still outside? Because Ujudge Erasmus is about to take off, is about to take us, and it's about to get wild. Hey, so yeah, and Ujudge Erasmus was running the show with authority today. He was showing us that I'm in charge, I'm giving directions, I don't want my time to be wasted. He was just piloting us, and yeah, if you were trying to off ramp, he would just bring you back. We saw him doing that to Miss Swanepoel and telling her and asking her, why is this witness here? I don't want my time to be wasted. So the man that I was talking about, a compassionate man, we saw him today being stern, strict, and yeah, straight to the point. I think the legal teams know him, that he doesn't play. He doesn't play. And I just want us to talk about someone, Miss Mkabayi. They call her Ufi Goldberg. I don't know why. Don't ask me whether it's the threat or what. I guess I'm also Ufi Goldberg. Yeah, but that's what they called her. They call her on TikTok and the social media, actually. And today, he said something, and maybe you can also share one of your quotes that you like about Judge Erasmus in the comments. He said something today. He said, don't take me to Botswana, come home to Cape Town. Listen, that was a boom moment for me. Telling Ms. Mkabayi, as she was citing her legal citations, and he asked Ms. Mkabayi, do you know the judge there? Who was the judge? He started slowly asking, okay, where did this happen? And do you know the place? where it happened, and she was, I'm not sure it happened this. I'll look and tell you, while they were having a debate, because Ms. Mkabai, when Judge Erasmus asked, does anyone, the legal teams, does anyone have an application? And she said yes, section 174. I will explain what section 174 is about just now. And now she was reading the legal citations, and Judge Erasmus said, do you know who was the judge there? And said, I was the judge there. So guys, I learned something. If you are about to debate with someone, or you are standing your ground about something, get all your facts straight, because judge here, he was the judge in one of the legal citations there. And Ms. Mkabai didn't even know. So that was funny for me. And yeah, there's that sense of humor there that I saw in the judge. Yes, he's a serious man with his deep voice, but yeah, it was interesting to watch. So she was arguing that this is section 174 discharge, trying to make the case that there's not enough evidence to keep the trial going. So Ms. Mkabai is not saying whether Stefano van Rijn is right or wrong. She was just saying that there's not enough to keep this thing going and charging my client. And Judge Erasmus said, I don't think so. And that's when he said, are you trying to take me to a different court in Botswana? Come back here to Cape Town. Let us talk about things that happened here. And yeah, so the judge has seen it all before. And trust me, he's not here for the drama. Now we are buckling up and we are taking off. This flight is about to take off. He's showing us that he's the pilot and he knows his stuff. So the turbulence is coming, but we are going to get through it. He was telling the legal teams, guys, I'm here. Let's debate. I'm ready for you. And if you can give me a chance, I'll go and get my device and let's debate. I am ready for you guys. Whoever has an application, whoever thinks differently, or we should do things differently, come, let us have a debate and then have a conclusion. What are we going to do? So yeah, the flight is taking off, guys, and it looks like by Tuesday, that's what he said. He hinted that by Tuesday, we might be wrapping up this whole thing. And then he said he's going to give them a day for arguments. Then he's going to give himself also a day for the judgment. So we are waiting. We are buckled up. Actually, the flight is taking off. And the pilot is going to land it very nicely with us. And yeah, we are waiting. So what I want to know, what do you think? Who's flying this plane? Is it the legal teams? Is it Judge Erasmus? Is he keeping in the controls in his hand? Is Kelly avoiding her past or something? What do you think is going on through her mind? What is she dealing with? And what do you think about Ms. Mkabai's 174 section application? What do you think? Does she have something? Should this case be thrown out, or are we just getting started? I just want you to tell me in the comment section, and hit the like and subscribe button. You have been doing it, guys, and I'm very, very grateful. So the trial is heating up, and you don't want to miss what's going to happen next, guys. So please make sure you are subscribed, because we are back with more updates. And yeah, this is just the beginning, and trust me when I say this, it's gonna get wilder. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. And please don't miss this flight. Don't make that mistake and miss this flight. And with that being said, God bless. Until next time. Ciao.